Hello friends, this is Elias again with a new tutorial of Photoshop, and in today's video I will show you how you can creatively blend two images in Photoshop. So let's start. So this is the picture on which we will work on, and we will blend this picture on that. So first select the wings of butterfly with quick selection tool. Perfectly. And paste it properly on elephant ear. Transform it with Ctrl T or Command T and adjust it properly. And now create a layer mask from here and invert it with Ctrl+I for Windows and Command+I for Mac. And after it, select a soft brush with opacity around 70. Make sure the foreground color is white and start painting in the ears. Like this. And repeat the same process on the other ear also. And you can give a bit of touch up with levels from here. Like this. And that's it. So guys, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.